Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we're gonna do the unboxing of the cover for the Realme Buds 7 Pro, these ones, and I will give you a small review as well of these earbuds. As you can see, they're still alive, even though they have a little scratch. So here we are with our box to unbox. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna open the package. So this is what you get straight out of the box. You get the cover, this one. In this case, we have this small moon, which is kind of cool. And if you see inside here is the glue that will make sure that the cover stays on your earbuds. And then we have a small bonus in here, these keychains right here, kind of cool, very cool. Probably my girlfriend will take it from me, but yeah, they're cool and you can put them right here. And then you need to have also your Realme Buds Air 7 Pro. What you need to do, you remove this thing here to open the tape, and then first with the case closed, you put the base side in here and you make sure it goes right there on the point. And then avoid moving a lot of times this thing so that the glue doesn't go out and it stays straight. And then you remove the upper one, this paper. In this case for me it came out wrongly. If it comes wrongly like this, you see, as you can see in here, it came wrongly. So if this happens to you, you just need to bend a little bit and then you will open from the other side. You can take the paper out from the other side like this and then you pull it. There's no magic, there's nothing so strange on it. You just pull it out like I did and then it comes out. And then you close it on your case and make sure it closes properly so that you don't have any issue in the future. And then you just tap it a little bit down like this. This goes to the trash. You tap it pretty well. And then you see here there's this open space here for your USB port. And then if you open, now you have the case. And if you close, the case is there. For the keychain, you just pull this one out like this. It's simple, and then you put in here, and there you go. There you have the cover for your Realme Buds Air 7 Pro. Big like for that. And this cover is very good for two reasons. First off, you can carry it easily to anywhere you go, and then the second thing is it will protect your Realme earbuds. So let's go now for the review. First off, I want to tell you that these earbuds, they still work very well. I'm still using this rubber inside, the one that came with the earbuds. I never changed them and they still pretty good. The first thing I want to talk about is the build quality of these earbuds. As you know, the case is made of aluminum, so that's very good and very important to mention because I did drop this one a lot of times and it has some scratches on this point. I forgot to show you guys before I put the new case, but in the case I have a little bit of scratches, but nothing too serious and nothing is damaged in there. The other thing is in the earbuds as well. You can see right here, this thing in here, this one right here, it's a scratch. It's not like dust or something, it's a scratch. I did drop the earbuds fewer times, like a lot of times when I go to the gym and it has some scratches in here, but nothing too serious. And that goes for both sides. You can see this side as well. It has some scratches in here, but nothing too serious, nothing damaging. The sound quality, it feels intact. And I'm gonna talk now about the noise cancelling. The noise cancelling, it's good. It's like super good, especially if you're listening to music. But whenever you are in a very noisy place, if you just put the earbuds to cancel the noise, you won't really feel that the noise is being cancelled. But now if you turn on the noise cancelling and then you play some music, even on lower volumes, the noise cancelling will work properly. The other thing I want to tell you guys is about the bass. The bass on these earbuds is something else. If you have never used a earbuds with these drives, with the hardware that they have on these earbuds, you will feel a huge difference. But overall, it's an amazing earbud. I'm really looking forward to stay with this one for so long. I had Realme Buds Air 6, but I stopped using them because I lost one of the sides. I still think this line of earbuds is so amazing and you guys will love it. So smash that like button if you want to buy one of these. See the link in the description and bye. See you in the next one.